Kaya ka lang.
Dito po ang para makaroon ng prizes lang kasi lahat kayo i-email sa ating mga. Thank you so
Dapat
much.
tayo ha. Nakabuka ka.
Thank you so much, Ate Michelle Gonzalaco from Health Department and Ate Roslyn Gonzalez from Fidelio Department for facilitating such a fun and engaging activity. We hope that everyone enjoyed it, had fun, and got to connect with one another. Once again, let's give our facilitator a round of applause.
Ayan, thank you so much once again, Titi and Susie. So, going back, if you have any questions, you may either type them in the chat box or use the raise hand button. So, I type ko na yung raise hand na po, sige, Jasmine, Geronimo, ayan. So, good morning po, Elaine. So, di ko po sure if na-discuss na po kanina, but I would like to confirm lang po. So, engage po na na-approve na po yung isang activity. Pero, nagkaroon po ng class suspension due to inclement weather or iba po pong emergency. Mananatili pa rin po bang approve po yung isang activity kapag nire-schedule po siya or kailangan po ulit mag-submit ng bagong proposal and mag-wait po ng 30 days period po. Thank you po.
Nabilib ka ngayon dito. Yung para kang mahuhulog. Yes, punta ka dito.
Madali lang po ang first expense. Usually connected and paper lang. Collection paper lang.
Yeah.
And then, kailangan lang
Yeah.
kung delegate mo sa mga nag-request na. For example, may kalinangan ng auditory request na. So, i-annotate ko yung software na approve. Tapos, yun yung panibagong ita-present. Yun sa mga So, don't need
Ang dami kong chicharong na Ulo mo dito. Huwag kang magkakain chicharon.
Thank you so much po, ma'am.
So, meron din po tayong isang question from the chat box from Gabriela Sam. So, the question po, Ma'am Lem, is, if our organization wants to invite an entire department or academic program to participate in our event, what is the proper process? And what should we do first before including them in our student activity proposal form?
So,
Ulo mo lang.
Ariel, tama, you want to invite the whole department to attend the activity. Tama ba yung activity po? So, first, you have to check the institutional calendar. Kasi doon mo makikita, baka mamaya, yung ibang programs under the department, hindi kasabayang activity. So, syempre, iiwasan mo na coincide per date of your activity sa date ng mga activities ng programs under the department. And then, sa software, you just have to write that it's a departmental
Sabi mo
activity.
pag meron na ha.
Okay? And then all students under